Yeah, that car next to it better have insurance.
No, the whole thing is burning up.
Baby, you okay?
No, my wallet's in there. I'm unknown for like a couple of weeks now.
I told you to pull over. You see? I saved your life.
I would have made it though.
No, you wouldn't, Harry. No, you wouldn't
made
have.
it to the park.
No, you
All I had
wouldn't
to do is
have.
make the
That's
turn.
not funny. No, it's not.
My water, my orange juice, my paperwork.
Your orange juice and your paperwork.
Oh, there you go.
Ooh.
That had to be the antifreeze that
The
just
car,
popped.
yeah. The car next to it is fucked. He's going to wake up tomorrow morning and, yeah, minivan, get out of there. He's going to be tight.
Like, what happened?
Yo,
to my
imagine
car?
you woke up and a car exploded next to yours. Okay, get out of the way, get out of the way. Go.
Car finally gave up, huh?
This isn't funny.
It finally gave up. That's crazy.
Today.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Stop it before they burn my freaking wallet. I think it's a little too late for that.
Oh my God.
Mom, I know you're not going to believe me, but the Jeep is on fire. The Jeep is on fire. I'm not playing. Why would I call you to tell you this? I'm recording it right now. There's fire and police department all around
Okay,
it.
this car needs to get the fuck out of the way. And he stays.
My Jeep, yes, my Jeep.
Move out. Oh, that's an undercover.
It's completely on fire and it's about to pop. I was just getting home and luckily my girlfriend's uncle was driving behind me to make sure I made it home. And yeah, they saw that it was burning up underneath, and I got out of it before it blew up. Well, before it burns all the way up, like it is right now. I'm almost made it. Like estaba haciendo la vuelta para ir para parquearlo donde yo lo parqueo. Ahí en what's it called, Bronxwood. Estoy ahí en Bronxwood. Ahí.
They're gonna want to need your information to give you the paperwork.
I don't know, but my wallet's in there, so all my paperwork is burnt. Because I just came out of it because it was burning. Yeah, everything. Social, my driver's license, both of them.
You have to do a report for that as well, okay?
Yeah, the paperwork for the car, everything else that was part of the card. Luckily, I didn't have nothing else in there besides my sweater. Oh, the GPS. The GPS too.